Hi guys, welcome to No One. This is Kelly and Miss Du, our quality manager.
Hi.
And in this video, we are going to talk about how to use Calliper. Miss Du will help you operate. Hope you will learn something from this video. Okay, let's go. Keep watching. Calliper have different lengths for different dimensions, such as 0 to 100 mm, 0 to 150 mm, 0 to 200 mm. Before start, need to wipe the measuring surface with absolutely alcohol. Adjust the brake screw and the caliper slide smoothly. Use standard gauge blocks to calibrate calipers before starting to measure products. Next, we'll show how to use the caliper to measure different dimensions. Here is Kylie and Miss Du. If this video helped you, please click like and subscribe. See you next video. Bye bye.
Bye.